Okay, so now that our machine gears are cleaned from all that dried grease, let's try greasing them up again. I'm using the Tri-Flow clear synthetic grease and an old paintbrush that you don't want anymore. And I do want to mention that I'm not a professional at this. I've been sewing for a couple years, but I like to try to do my own repairs or cleaning when I can. So, okay, so you just take some oil and put it on a brush and just start brushing it on there. Trying not to get it on everything else. That's a bit much, so I'm going to take some off of there. You do want to do it kind of liberally, but that was a lot. Okay, it turned out to not be so bad once you run it through. And some more oil. Or grease, apologies. Okay. And put some more on there. And run it through. I'm going to grab that big glob there. And make sure you're getting it in the teeth of the gears. And what it's doing is it's hitting the gear down below and greasing it as well. Okay. Almost got it. Okay, and I'm going to wipe off the brush with the excess grease. And wipe off the excess. Okay, and I'm going to get one of my lip gloss applicators here. Kind of try to clean off some of this extra around the edge on top here. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Okay, and that should be about it. Alrighty. And that's it. Have a good day.